Hello everyone, Rose is here. So today, I want to talk to you about the exciting world of filming videos. Whether you are interested in creating content for your social media, making short film, or documenting special moment in your life. So let us discuss about the equipment you will need. While professional camera can produce stunning videos, you can start filming something as simple as a smartphone. The key is to learn how to use what you have and also familiarize yourself with your camera settings such as resolutions, frame rates, and also practice using different features. Pero kung afford mo naman bumili ng professional camera, so why not? Coconut, go! Pero kung hindi mo afford, mag-smartphone ka muna. Ang importante doon is malinaw yung camera mo. At para malinaw yung camera mo, before ka mag-take ng video, kailangan linisin mo muna yung lens mo para malinaw talaga siya. Bye for now!